Hello. Have you ever wondered how to protect your assets during the process of a divorce? It's not easy, is it? It's a very tense time in your life. I'm Dr. Ferrara, and I'd like to share a few tips with you. For instance, a lot depends on whether your assets are public or private. And what I say by public, those would be items that are in a safe deposit box, a public savings account, IRA account, or a retirement account. Things like that are very much subject to personal liens pendants to be put on. And if you happen to be the one who is the aggressor and you are looking for these properties to be shared with you, you would probably put the les pendens. However, if you're the victim and you're looking to have these items protected, you would probably put an injunction on those to keep the other party from withdrawing from that particular account if their names are on it too. The other thing that you would do, of course, you're going to most likely, when you get to that point where you're fighting over the assets, you have an attorney. You follow your attorney's advice, because all persons have to file an affidavit of financial assets and responsibilities at the beginning of a divorce. So if you are at that stage of fighting over the public items, you're kind of limited as to what your recourse is. Personal items, I consider things like your family heirlooms, personal collections of items that you have. Now, there may be a thin line between whether they're your personal belongings or whether they're marital properties. That depends on the jurisdiction in your state, so you want to check with that. Again, check by your attorney. But if there are personal items that are definitely yours, obviously you can leave them with friends or family during the process of divorce to protect them. But you don't want to do anything that's considered illegal if they're considered community property. The other thing, of course, the one way that many people protect themselves is with a premarital pre-op, and that's something that may or may not stay in effect through the course of the marriage, depending on the terms and depending on the length of the marriage and circumstances. So through all of these items, you really need to consult with an attorney during this time, assuming that the fact that you're getting a divorce, you're not agreeing in the first place, so each one has their perception about what belongs to who. All right, may you have good luck. I know it's a very tense time, but hang in there. People do survive well after divorce. Good luck and God bless. Dr. Felicia here. Thank you.